Andrew, first of all, what exactly is priced in the market? So we're seeing a little bit of pound reaction, but is there a bias towards an extension that could actually be wrong? What are the chances of a no-deal Brexit at this point?
Well, look, I do think that it is still a significant risk. Maybe the risk of it happening on October 31st has gone down a little bit, but I think you still have, a key question that's unresolved. But, look, this was a striking decision. It was a unanimous decision. And I think as we look across assets, there probably is more negativity, we think, around a Brexit outcome priced into the pound than there is into UK interest rates, which we think are pricing in far less kind of no-deal probability. So, but this is I think a really notable statement, and I think we will see probably more pound volatility ahead, given it.
Tim, as we see the representative from Scotland speaking outside court, Tim Bale, did all this occur because of the courage, or the decision, I should say, of the Edinburgh court? I mean, is Scotland the one that drove this moment?
Well, it's a bit of both, actually. I mean, it's Scotland asserting, if you like, its independence from England on this, and its MPs getting together and, bringing the case. But we also have to come back to Gina Miller, the woman who brought the case in the English court, who lost in the High Court but has effectively won today. She has played an enormous role, really, since the Brexit referendum. It was her who insisted that Parliament got a vote over Article 50. It was her that insisted that this prorogation was unlawful, and it's 2 out of 2 for her. So she has played an incredibly important part, and a very brave part, actually, given the criticism that she's faced.
I assume that the nation would like to hear from the Prime Minister. Tim Bale, does Prime Minister Johnson rip up the script on the Hudson River today in New York City, and instead of talking about taxes and trade, that he has to directly address the nation?
Well, I mean, it's a moot point as to how long he can actually stay in New York, I think. I mean, we assume that he will have to fly back pretty soon, if not quite early. He will have to, if Parliament reconvenes, presumably make some kind of statement about this there, if he doesn't already do it before then. We don't have a tradition of the PM, as it were, facing the nation over live TV in the same way that your presidents do in the United States of America. So that might not happen. It may do, but he's certainly going to have to face the music in Parliament pretty soon, it seems.